Seeing an orange dot on your iPhone? Here's what it means in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The orange dot is a privacy indicator on iPhone. It shows when an app is using your microphone. You'll usually see the orange dot at the top of your screen when an app is listening to audio. This includes apps like phone calls, voice memos, Siri, camera, and social media apps using voice or audio. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. At the top, you'll see the name of the app currently using your microphone. Go to Settings, Privacy, and Security, then tap Microphone. Here, you can turn microphone access on or off for any app. No, the orange dot is a safety feature. It helps protect your privacy by letting you know when audio is being used. If you see a green dot instead, that means an app is using your camera, or camera and microphone together. If you see the orange dot unexpectedly, check microphone permissions and remove access from suspicious apps. And that's it. That's what the orange dot on iPhone means. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.